this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the shifter knob in your truck. Now, unlike cars where the shift knob is screwed on, in trucks it's glued on. The tools you're going to need is a hammer and a wrench. First, lower the boot. Position your wrench under the shift knob, and you want to hit it with a hammer upwards. To reinstall your shift knob or a new shift knob, make sure it's straight and tap it in. Once it's in, lift up the boot. And there you go, that's how to remove your shift knob in your truck.